Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salsa easy. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need ripe tomatoes, a white or red onion, and a generous bunch of fresh cilantro. For a little heat, grab a jalapeno or serrano pepper. Don't forget fresh lime juice, salt, and a tiny bit of ground cumin to really bring out those delicious flavors. These simple components are the foundation of a truly great homemade salsa. Now, let's get chopping. Start by roughly dicing your tomatoes, onions, and peppers into small, uniform pieces. If you prefer less heat, simply remove the seeds and white membranes from your peppers. Finely mince your garlic and cilantro to ensure their flavors are well distributed throughout the salsa. Once everything is chopped, transfer all these fresh ingredients into a large bowl, ready for the next step. Next, we'll achieve that perfect salsa texture. You can use a food processor or a blender for this. For a chunky salsa, pulse the mixture just a few times. If you prefer a smoother consistency, blend it a bit longer. Stir in your fresh lime juice and a pinch of salt. Always taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. Let the salsa rest for at least 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to truly meld together. Your easy homemade salsa is now ready to enjoy. It's absolutely perfect served with crispy tortilla chips or as a vibrant topping for tacos, burritos, and grilled chicken. To keep any leftovers fresh, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will maintain its delicious flavor for up to 5 days. For a fun variation, try stirring in about 1/4 of a diced avocado for a creamy texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.